Welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2018 and a half North Trail Caliber Edition. This unit has the upgraded fiberglass front cap, also has the upgraded caliber package. So we're going to take a few minutes and walk you around this 26 LRSS model, show you the inside and outside. Part of the caliber package and one of the upgrades is the power tongue jack on the front. You have two 20-pound propane tanks underneath the cover here. There are some protective circuit breakers there. You have a hitch light down here. And then over on this side you have a port to plug in solar panels if you wanted to do a portable solar panel. Again, this has the optional full fiberglass front cap. When you do the upgraded caliber package, you also get the slam latch baggage doors. Has the magnetic holders. Got a nice size pass-through storage. The power front jack buttons are behind those white doors there. You also have LED lights in the storage compartment here. You have power stabilizer jacks, which also have a manual override. Full enclosed underbelly. This unit has two entry doors. The front door has a normal traditional RV step, and the back door has the new fold down step. You have a power awning as part of the caliber package, and it also has the manual crank where you can remove the little rubber plug up there and do the manual crank in and out in case of failure. Black tank flush here. Upgraded aluminum wheels. It's got the wide stance axle system. Your furnace exhaust here. Refrigerator access panel for maintenance. Electric outlet there. Stove exhaust up here. You got your porch light. A couple outdoor speakers. Fresh water tank fills up here. Large folding entry handle. You have the flip down bike rack. It's prepped for backup camera. Electric slide system. Take a few minutes and walk through the inside here. You've got nice hanging closet on each side, overhead cabinets, a nightstand on each side of the bed. There's an electric outlet on each side of the bed too. And the bed does raise up, so you've got storage underneath it here. And under the bed there was the hose for the central vac system that's on there. Got your electric box down there, little drawer and closet space here. You can mount a TV up here, air conditioner ducts, sliding door here to block off the bedroom area. This one has the booth dinette. There's an option for a freestanding table and chairs. Gas electric Dometic refrigerator. Gas oven, has the 3-burner cooktop, has the glass cover also. Part of the upgraded caliber package is the solid surface countertops, the pull-out sprayer faucet, undermount stainless sink and covers here. Got a microwave, some more overhead cabinets. Another part of the upgraded caliber package is the recessed hinges on the cabinet doors, so you don't see the hinging there. So it gives it a nicer cabinet upgrade. Two swivel chairs here, freestanding little table in the middle there. You can move that around. And there you can see the new upgraded step. That's when it's in, and then it just folds out, comes down, touches the ground. Got some light switches up here. Some lights under the counter here, or under the cabinets there. Got night shades on the windows. Upgraded trifold sofa. It's ducted air, nice arch ceiling. TV, part of the caliber package up there. Central vac piece is down below there. DVD stereo system. Over here is your AC and furnace controls. Water heater on electric and gas. Water pump. Your monitor panel's all right here. In your bathroom here, upgraded porcelain foot flush toilet, part of the caliber package. Nice counter space, cabinet space in here. Got a little vent fan there. Shower. It's got a good sized shower for a travel trailer. ABS tub surround. Skylight up above. Again, just a quick video on the North Trail Caliber 26 LRSS. Be sure to check out more of our videos here at Couch's RV Nation. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Ray. I'm one of the salespeople here. 888-417-8299, extension 203, gets you directly to me. Again, CouchesRVNation.com, one of the largest wholesale RV dealers in the country. We will definitely save you money on a new RV.